Stakes Finance is a decentralized exchange and fair launch DeFi token that can only be yield farmed on the Stakes.finance. There is no pre-mine, no investors, and no advisory tokens. Similar to other DeFi platforms before it, Stakes is designed to exist in the perpetuity on its own, but with a twist. As part of the hedge trade ecosystem, the team is basically distributing the future fees from multiple hedge trade business lines into the Stake platform.
Feel uninvited.
Here you can see the entire platform and the website of the Stakes.finance. I will definitely share the link in the description. Once all the stakes have been minted and farmed, the stake bar pool will continue to yield the rewards from the hedge trade in the form of the native HEDG tokens. What's even more exciting is that as the hedge trade ecosystem grows and the generated fees grow, so will the returns for the stakers. By integrating the DeFi systems with the hedge trade platform, the team is basically creating an entire closed loop ecosystem where you can farm, stake, use, bet against, trade, govern, and even a lot of stake and HEDG tokens. Many meme coins are missing long-term use cases after you farm. You can't do anything more with these tokens except you can provide the liquidity and earn a portion of the swap trading fees. With stakes, holders can earn those fees and will eventually yield the hedge trade commissions as well as vote on how the protocol evolves. Combining these models will make this an unpredictable all in the entire ecosystem of the crypto. Now here you can see the entire blog on the Stakes.finance. Now I will tell you something very interesting that basically differentiate the Stakes platform from the other farming coins. Basically it is integrating the hedge trade with exchanges and the stake swap DEX to enable the frictionless trading after unlocking the predictions. Secondly, enabling the hedge trade users to not only unlock, purchase another trader's prediction but also stake against other traders or stake alongside the trader. And the best thing, utilizing the stakes infrastructure and hedge trade trading data to build an automated robo advisor and launching a decentralized index fund and high frequency trading pool, fully examining the viability of the decentralizing hedge trade entirely and evaluating the HEDG token economics, the whole economics, and also including the burning significant supply, introducing the predictions on the publicly traded assets, expanding the hedge trades universe of the predictions beyond trading. Now in the end of the video, I will definitely share my own price prediction about this token. But first of all, we are going to talk about the Stake Finance. That what is Stake Finance all about? That how you are going to earn number of money with the help of the Stakes Finance. Basically, the Stakes Finance is built for the farmers, traders, risk takers, and the inner cowboy in all of us. Stakes will have all of the best attributes from the current DeFi landscape plus an additional utility of being integrated with hedge trade where you can earn even more stake and HEDG tokens. Hedge trade is a prediction marketplace and gamified social trading platform that is live, operational, and generating cash flow with thousands of active traders. And Stakes has a stake bar pool where you can stake your stake tokens and receive the commissions from the stake swap trading fees as well as the commissions from the hedge trade. Owning and farming stake tokens effectively gives you the rewards from not only trading fee but also from the hedge trade and other products the team is developing right now. Here you can see the entire picture and you can understand all the things that how Stake Finance will work, and every time it will give you some more reward if you are going to stake your tokens in Stakes Finance. The flagship staking pool receives the stake in three ways. yield farming, stake swap fees, commission from the hedge trade. The stake bar pool will be designed so that the stakers that stake for a longer period of time will yield a higher percentage of the fees. So right now it's the time to give my own price prediction about this coin. As per my own price prediction about this token, because they are going to perform to a next level, so definitely the price will increase. And as per my own price prediction in dollars, about what this token will reach up to $500 or $600 in near future. So it's your time to grab the opportunity. Right now this token is available and you have the chance to buy this token directly from so many exchanges. And here you can see the Twitter page where where they announce all the things, and especially you can check all the data on the coin market cap and also on the CoinGecko. So grab this opportunity right now. Thanks a lot.